If you've ever heard me refer to the leaf when talking about shoemaking, I thought I'd explain to you what it is so that you know what I'm talking about. So in a nutshell, the leaf refers to the piece of material that we use to cover the inside piece of a heel like this. Now you can do a leaf on a block heel as well, but usually people don't, and the reason for that is because you can actually wrap a block heel all the way around in one piece and have it meet perfectly in the middle. A leaf covering is most commonly seen on a stiletto. You can take your material of choice and cover the whole back of the heel and then actually use your sole to go all the way down the leaf. And here's an example of what I mean by that. So the sole comes all the way up and then goes down the leaf of the heel like that. So if you ever hear somebody refer to the leaf area of the heel, that's the area there that they're talking about.